Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause video recording on iPhone on iOS 18. So let's begin. Now, in order to do this, make sure that you are absolutely on iOS 18. To do so, go to Settings and go to General and go to Software Updates and make sure that you are up to date. So as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18. Now I will go to the camera application. So as you can see in camera application, I will turn on my video and now I'm going to start recording the video. So we have the photo button on the right side, but we didn't have this pause button on the left side. So now you can pause your video. So I'm going to pause this video and lift up my camera in the front and I'm going to start recording the video again. So as you can see, I'm now recording the video, and if you want to stop your video, then you can stop it in the usual way by pressing the middle icon over here, or you can also pause it and then press the middle icon. The video will still be stopped. And now we are going to go check the video out. So going back to home page, and so I had paused my video and now I'm going to release it from 10 seconds. So here we go. So as you can see, I was slowly lifting my camera, but the camera is directly here. So the iPhone camera just auto-edited the video for us. So now you don't have to take multiple shots in your video. You can just take a single shot and pause in between for as long as you want. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.